Pig City over here.
Alright guys, let's build.
We got some kids trying to invade.
Poor zebra hopped straight into bed.
Winner never cuts a commandos for it.
Kill the skeleton!
Just woke up from my... The 7x5 is crazy.
Split our pork 2 ways instead of 3.
That's what I'm thinking.
But then the second one was an 8er, which I started singing like Holy Choir.
Bad.
Yeah, we just left on like a secret way.
Oh. I'll be first to my little thing.
I'd rather survive than die.
He's coming.
See you guys soon.
I'll be in soon.
Am I ever gonna go in? Like, what's going on here?
Yeah, what's happening? So I guess we don't know.
Server lag.
Oh.
Hello? Hello?
It wasn't letting us in.
Oh my god.
Oh, careful.
Watch out, Jet.
Oh
Watch out,
my
Jet.
God.
Watch out, Jet.
Watch out, Jet, bro.
I just realized I brought no blocks.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, gas. I already hear him. Yeah, I got a bow. Do we want to split up or stick that? How do we signal if we find it?
Just scream really loud.
I think we just go as a group.
Yeah, probably just move as one. I think we probably just pillar our way, like...
Worst possible area.
Yeah, this area sucks.
Oh, do we have to, like, bridge?
It's open.
Yeah.
That's true.
We...
Look at the upsides. We only can
Oh, when Zebra's going? I hear the get. Where is it? I think we're good. Oh, this is not
look
even...
at them. They're risking it all.
This is not even a little safe.
They're risking it all.
I do appreciate the, like, second path going.
Yeah. The gas is gonna like snipe.
My friend.
Zombie pigman, we beat no harm.
I don't hear
We
gas
really
now,
want to
so
traverse.
I think we're looking pretty good. I feel like realistically, like, maybe we lose, like, one person to, like, a blaze, but, like, or, like, oh, there's withers. Oh, no.
Oh yeah.
Withers are rough.
Oh, I hate weird skeletons.
There's another bridge over here.
That's true. This one die? Oh. I thought you went in the lava net. I was like, I thought you...
I have a water bucket. So
Um,
I can
That's
put
not
you
gonna
out.
help. That's not gonna help.
No, you
Oh,
can't.
man, you're scaring me.
I mean,
Try
if
it,
you get
Dest.
up
Try
back
putting
onto the
him out.
land.
We have a
I mean, if you
cauldron.
get
so,
back onto the land.
so I got a
Figure
cold.
out real quick.
You get cold
Oh wait,
today.
never mind. You're right. I forgot. It doesn't work. Huh?
Yeah, you have to have a cauldron for that.
Yeah.
Wait,
If
that's
I
a
got extra iron.
I have 28 iron on me.
28. That's crazy.
I did not.
We're ironed up. It's Iron City over here.
It really is Iron City.
Crafted and
If only we had a 7th person to share it with.
We should make our house out of iron blocks.
we could
Iron City.
we could get like a golem going.
Oh, that. Yeah, we should totally do that.
Do we have pumpkins?
We do. I didn't bring any, but me and Ned did get pumpkins. Oh.
I have pumpkin.
Can you just drop like an iron golem into the blaze spawner?
I've never tried that. It's honestly worth a try. That's actually like insane tech if you could just do that. I just don't know how it'll fare. Is everybody? Okay, yeah, make sure
Oh,
everybody's
no.
still.
Oh, yeah.
We're good. We're good.
They're coming.
Everybody's in eyesight. That's what.
Yeah, I could hear everybody, so that's good.
Yeah, it's like a game of telephone. Burn.
Man.
Fortress? We already found one. We already got one. Oh, jeez. How
Iron
we?
bed.
Yeah, we got a fortress.
We do? Where?
We already got one over here, Mr. Mace.
Oh, I see it.
How we get down here?
The spleef is crazy.
Do not spleef. Do
I
not.
was practicing yesterday.
Oh, there's blazes already.
Yeah, watch out for
Oh.
blazes, yo.
Guys, I'm a. Guys, just let me water bucket strat real quick.
For people who don't know, every hardcore I've been a part of, I've died to a blaze.
Don't look at him. The
Wait, I
blaze
didn't
isn't
know- I didn't know
real.
they had, like, I was talking to Jolts about it. I think they had like history with it too.
It's,
Okay,
it's
watch
a
out.
long
Oh.
history. It's like years of history.
And it's always been a blaze.
It really is just a one block here that we got.
The normal skeleton down there. It's just
This one's
it's
got-
crazy.
I don't think anyone has grapple, but it's
Okay, I
we
might
could,
just jump in there and fight him.
I'm not. My
There's
ass is
so
not
many.
jumping in that hole. You insane, brother. I'm
Jump
staying
it
right
off.
up here, to be honest. Y'all
Yeah.
good luck.
I'm waiting for the safe bridge to be made.
Okay, this is good. This is good.
Oh, August is like, yeah,
August is kind of
pioneer.
architect like right now.
lucky.
Hey,
Uh-huh.
I see what's happening.
I see the foundation.
What a solid base.
Oh,
couldn't even-
I misjudged it by one block. That makes
Hey, it's
me
all good.
mad.
It's all good. Well,
I'm
yeah,
building a barrier.
No, I think we're fine on the staircase, but
Here's some extra blocks.
we're making it very, very safe.
You gotta.
alright, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. This is it.
Oh, you in? You in?
I almost
Oh,
fell.
jeez.
Alright, guys, I got a cauldron. Anyone
Does
want
anyone-
it? Want it?
Does anyone want a gaffy? I have two.
I think I should take the cauldron, but
I think I also have a water bucket. I could also take a cauldron. I'll take that as well.
I was
Actually.
gonna say no one else to go with. I was going, but I was like,
Okay, I'm going in. Oh god, it's already shooting at us. It's already shooting at us. Here we go. 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 Ah! Oh! Ow! I'm hit! I'm hit! I'm hit! I'm hit! I'm hit! I'm hit!
no, he's hit.
Why am I alone down here? Where's my help?
Come back.
Oh, Wither!
Oh no.
He's dead. He's dead.
Oh.
I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. I'm sick of being afraid. Ban, ban, ban. Ban, ban, ban.
The bench hand.
I'm not afraid. Ben's not afraid.
I'm not afraid. Where the skeleton? Where the skeleton?
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh jeez.
Nice, nice. Good job, guys. Good job. Good job. Good job.
Oh my god.
Good job, everyone. Zebra, you good?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. This is gonna be still a bit more of a task. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. Ban, ban, ban. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Dude, no.
Oh no.
20.
I'm on fire.
You're good. You're good.
That's not true.
Come to me.
I can't hit him. Oh,
Come to me,
God,
Blaze.
Yeah, fish. Oh,
Ban, 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 ban. I'm so beast mode. Guys, how much do we need? How much do we need? Do you know how many blaze rods we need?
we're getting trolled.
Well, at most you need. What does it give you 2 for 1?
Yeah.
So we need 6.
Oh, there's a blaze.
Okay.
There's a blaze over here.
Oh, so- Uh-oh. It didn't drop anything.
Then fall.
Ah.
Okay, didn't drop it.
Oh, there's one. Oh, there's one
Yeah.
hanging out.
This thing sucks,
That
man.
made me scared.
Did we find the
This is
worst,
pretty
the
rough.
worst of all
Yeah, it
time?
scared me too. I thought it was coming from me.
It might be. At least if we found it quick, but like this is rough.
I mean, we could mine into the wall.
Like taxes.
That's true. What, like trying to like reset the mobs?
What, reset, like all leave and rejoin the server?
Pro strats.
I've got 1.
I have one.
Oh my god, he just killed himself!
Watch these.
Yeah, we have 5.
What?
We have
Did you
5.
guys
What?
just see that pigman just fall? Like he just killed himself. Oh, you're gonna love my footage. I got that. Like I really did.
Classic pigment.
Still recording? I really did.
Yeah, good question. Yeah, great question to ask now.
So what's this? What's up here? Guys, there's one up here. Look at this.
What is it? Does it keep going up there?
Oh, there's more.
Probably
Yeah,
does.
there's more.
Okay. Oh, wow. What a find.
Clutch.
That definitely was
I
clutch.
don't know where, like...
Just barely peeking out.
I don't know what I'm looking at, though. Like, oh, I see. It's
Oh.
I'm sorry.
I wanted to lose hunger anyway. Oh wow.
I've never been hungry. in my
I'll be darned. Oh, potions wouldn't hurt to have.
I ain't brewing no potion though.
Who the heck are we, nerds?
I guess it's true.
Oh, Mac with you. Hey, what's up?
Wouldn't mind some free diamonds.
Yeah, I hear it.
Yeah, there's definitely a spawner up there. Could never find up.
Oh, fancy.
But my thing is dark. Oh, my brightness is on 50. No wonder it was dark. What am I doing, man? This thing, yeah, this thing's massive. I'm gonna go this way.
I'll come with you, Comando.
Oh!
The protection.
Wait, watch this, watch this. This is tech. Back up, back up, back up. Oh, never mind. It ignored you. Yeah, I know the tech, Mr. Mace.
Stuff.
Oh. You get one?
You'd be
Dude,
dead.
I killed 2 blazes and I didn't get a single rod.
That's rough. I should have given mine then. Actually, it's probably good we have them spread out in case like someone dies. Or you know what I mean.
More area down on the other side there.
I know, they probably got a spawner.
My fire aspect
Oh.
sword is so useless here. Wait, this is actually.
I heard them speaking. You guys get one? Spawner? Thought I heard him for a second. Yeah, we're coming, we're coming.
Over here, over here.
Yeah.
Where are you guys?
We're going on our own little branch. We're coming, we're coming, we're coming. We're coming, we're coming. Do you guys have 2 or just 1?
There's 2 spawners over here.
2? That's crazy.
I have. How many do you?
Oh, so many. Oh, yeah.
Oh, you found
Oh
a
yeah,
spawner?
there's a spawner
Oh,
here.
you found 2
Yeah, there's
spawners.
2.
How many do you guys have? I have 6 rods.
I got
Dude,
1.
this would have been an amazing farm spot.
You got 3? Yeah, we're definitely good.
Matt, you want to hold on?
If anybody wanted to be a nerd, we could
Yeah. I'll
potion.
put mine on you too, Nat.
Because this version you don't need like powder, so that's only one.
All right,
one-
we got 11. We got 11.
That's definitely more than enough. Because it gives you 2 powder per.
Yep.
So yeah, we're good, we're good, we're good.
Enderman is the next goal now.
Yeah.
Good
Enderman.
job,
we got-
everyone.
I've got 4
So like,
pearls, so
why is it there like a
Cow.
why is it there a reverse bed? Like legit, like what are we gonna do during the day? Like try to find a big
Have fun.
cave?
enjoy ourselves.
Maybe we could build like a big box and just like spawn them in. Nothing would go wrong with that.
You just need the ender pearls. You just need the ender pearls now.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't
That's
remember which way
gonna
we
be
came from, y'all. I don't know which way we came from. Is this right? Oh, it is right.
Is it? Oh. Yeah, I think.
Brian?
Bren?
No.
I was just following you.
Oh
That's a-
no.
That's a dead end.
Someone should have placed something to track.
I did on the surface. If we make it out. Oh, this is where we went, August, isn't it?
I think we came from this way.
So we came from.
Dude, we're all like running in different.
It's here. I think.
Yeah, it's here.
Is it?
Yeah. Is it empty? Is it empty?
That's
No,
saddles.
That's not it. That's not
This is definitely a new path.
Yeah, it's a dead end.
it. Okay,
Oh.
we need to mark the
They found it. They
paths.
found it.
I think we found it.
Okay.
Wait, where's that?
This way.
Oh,
This
okay.
way. Okay. We're all together still.
Yup.
Should be up here.
I knew there was like a staircase, but it's like. Yeah, there we go.
Nice.
Got
Okay,
everyone.
That's griefing. That's
the dirt is
griefing.
crazy. The dirt is
Guys,
crazy.
we
The
have
dirt is crazy.
company.
What? It's too bad we're not fighting the wither.
Me is a garden.
Oh jeez. Oh.
Oh my gosh, Nick, shut.
Let's get to that. Let's get that.
There's so many wither skeletons.
Let's
How do
get-
we how do we get back out of here?
Over where this like dirt
Go
is.
this way,
We go upstairs. We go up. We go up here.
Yeah, up here. Oh, I didn't know it was actually a full staircase. Nice. Oh. Ow. Oh. Oh. Please.
Get up, Panda, get up.
Oh. I'm good. I'm good.
Get into the cauldron.
I'm like on half.
Do we take the cauldron? No, fuck the cauldron.
Right. It's like we.
See, so maybe we did the same stairs, Commando.
Wait, no, I wasn't this one.
Hey, I made safe stand.
Are we all here?
I don't know, but at
Yeah.
this point you're on your own.
Dang. Does he even realize he's finally past the blaze and he's just.
This is like the farthest I've ever gone. I gotta stick. I gotta stick with this. Like, I gotta go. I didn't do any work, and I gotta
Yeah. See, we're kind, August.
This prevails. Are you okay?
Well, it's like Emulating hitting you off the edge. I would never hit you off the edge. Who hit it?
AMC deserve
Oh, there's a ghast!
Oh!
Oh, come on.
Nice to fight.
Get the achievement. Get the achievement.
Oh, the achievement would be huge. Who's it aiming at? It's aiming at net.
Return that shit to center.
Oh, it's like down here. We're going a little high. Oh no! Oh no!
I've been hit.
Oh, you get that that tear though?
Man's hit. Man's hit.
Water.
Oh, another one!
Cauldron. Oh, nice.
It's down here. It's down here. We go this way.
Okay, let's all go home.
We were getting a little distracted. Yeah, I was about to say I'm on
my last chop.
I've got 3. Oh, Ned, how you doing?
Ned, come here, I got food. Ned, come here, I got food.
Okay, I'm on my last chop, bro. Oh my gosh, thank you.
How much you got more?
You're so
or?
welcome. You're so welcome. You're
You
so
got,
welcome.
I mean,
dog.
you got more? Like, I guess not.
He doesn't like you.
I guess not. Apparently not.
Yeah, I don't know you, little blood.
Making sure there aren't gas.
Oh, there's
gas
the
above,
bridge.
gas overhead,
Oh,
gas
there's
overhead.
a gas.
We gotta run.
No.